Hello and welcome to this short grounding practice for your body and mind. You can practice seated on your back, maybe even seated in a chair or in your car. Just don't practice while driving. Somatic practices like this one allow us to access more information about the ways we hold on to our experiences in our body. So when you're ready, set yourself up comfortably. Take a big breath in through your nose and release a gentle sigh out through your mouth. If that felt good, do it a couple more times. And when you're ready, let your breath settle into a natural, easy rhythm. No need to force or push anything. Notice your body the way it is in space you're in. And gently shift more of your weight into the right side. Release. Shift your weight into the left side. Let that go. Shift your weight forward a little bit more. And bring yourself back to the center. Shift your weight back. And then release that as well. Find a supported place right in the middle between those four corners of your space. Start to relax your body even more. Bring your awareness to the tip of your nose. Notice the temperature, the texture, the quality of the air as it comes in. Is it cold, dry? Notice how the quality changes as the air comes out. Keep your awareness at the tip of your nose, feeling the sensation of your exhale. What is the quality of the air as you breathe it out? And now imagine that you are able to breathe into each side of your body at a time. Feel your breath coming in through the right nostril, filling up the right side of your head, right side of your neck, your right shoulder, right arm, right hand, right side of your rib cage, right side of your waist, right hip, right leg, right foot. Breathing in and out into your right side body. Let go of this awareness of the right side of your body. Imagine that you are breathing in and out through your left side. Feel your breath coming into the left nostril Filling up the left side of your head, left side of your neck, left shoulder, left arm, left hand, left side of your rib cage, left hip, left leg, left foot. Breathing in and out of the left side of your body. Let go of this awareness as well. Feel the surface of your body. Now imagine that you can breathe in and out through the pores of your skin. Breathing through the surface of your body all the way from the top of your head out into your fingertips, down into the toes, through the back of your body. Breathing in and out with the surface of your skin. Release this awareness as well. Now imagine that you can breathe in and out with your entire body. Not only your skin, not only the right or the left side, but your entire being. Like a sponge, you can absorb your inhales. Let your breath come in and out through the soles of your feet, the spaces between your toes, your outer thighs, your low belly, your low back, the inner parts of your fingers, the inner parts of your arms, your upper back, chest. Even your face can breathe in and out. Release this awareness as well. Notice yourself in the space you're in. Notice your body. Notice your natural breaths in and out. Before you move on with your day, give yourself a moment to feel the gentle vibration of your energy. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Maybe stretch a little bit. Thank you for practicing. Namaste.